So just in case you're all wondering, what is that? I had cut the front part of my hair because it wasn't really locking properly. And I wanted more baby hair, but
now I'm trying to grow them back in.
It's taking longer to grow than expected. So hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be able to lock these up and then it can join the rest of the family.
Okay, hey guys, so today what I ended up doing finally is retightening my loose hair in the front. I cut all of this because originally it was just too thin and it wasn't strong enough to withhold the growth. And if you want to see how I retightened it from scratch, stay tuned. Now this retightening session is a little bit different because I've had loose hair in the front. Originally they were baby hairs and I cut them because they were thinning in my opinion and I wasn't able to lock them. Even the back I cut because of the same reason. But as I get it further into my lock journey, I hardly put my hair up because of the weight and tension. So then I decided, let me relock. So I had my sister relock the back for me so that they're thicker than their original size. Right now we have elastics at the end because it was not keeping its knot. And so when I come to the front now, I've done 2 already. So let me just show you. I'm making them somewhat bigger, hopefully still following the line that I have, right? However, this one I decided to combine 2 so that it's not so thin because the foundation is very important. Here it is. And as you see, the base is what I'm looking at, the square. And I'm thinking that's going to be a good enough space. Now let's get into it. I wanted to show me interlocking fresh loose hair in real time. So here you see me starting by making a knot at the bottom of my section. I'm going to focus now on my interlocking method, which is the 4-point rotation. And what that means is just basically bringing your hair or lock in 4 different directions in order to lock it nice and tight. Now here you see me using my fingers as a tool, and I'm trying to go from right to left, bottom to top, left to right, then top to bottom. But I can't lie, I'm getting confused because I'm trying to grab the hair in a direction and I'm literally losing focus as to which direction I grabbed the hair from. So this may not be the perfect tutorial for you, but basically what I'm trying to do is get it knotted and moving its way up from the bottom to the top. As I'm getting closer to the top where my fingers can't go in no more, that's when I will stop and use the tool. But until then, I continue this until I can't go no more. Let's introduce the interlocking tool now. I got this at the hair store, any beauty supply store. And basically now I'm gonna do exactly what I told you I was doing with my hands. I'm gonna go from right to left, the bottom to the top, left to right, and then back down from the top to the bottom. That's considered one rotation, and now you repeat until it gets close to your scalp. Just remember, when you put in the tool, you want to pull up to get all the loose hair and then through. You always try to end in the direction you want the lock to lie. So that's what I'm doing right now. And there you have it. One lock done from scratch. That took me 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Let's take it down now and see if it blends well. So basically what I did this time is I doubled up in hopes that it's not going to be too skinny. Basically for every 2 rows, I did 1 lock. And then as you see, every 2 rows, I did 1 lock. That's me starting the journey all over again. But you can't really tell when it's down. And honestly, I wear my hair like this 90% of the time. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates, tips, and styles.